Call tracking plays a key role in understanding lead generation and campaign performance. The AgencyAnalytics CallRail integration brings your call data into one centralized dashboard, giving you a clearer view of calls, outcomes, and overall performance. Start by opening your client's profile. From the sidebar, navigate to Call Tracking, then select CallRail, where your call data is displayed in a clear, easy-to-read dashboard. At the top, key metrics provide a quick overview of performance, including total calls, answered calls, missed calls, first-time calls, leads, and average call duration. The answered versus missed calls chart shows how calls are being handled, helping highlight trends in response rates and potential missed opportunities. Alongside this, the top sources section breaks down where calls are coming from, such as Facebook, Google, or other channels, giving insight into which marketing efforts are driving the most calls. The calls trend chart visualizes call activity over time, helping track performance changes and spot patterns in call volume. Scroll down to view the full list of calls. Each entry includes details such as date, caller name, source, phone number, call status, and whether it was a first-time call, providing a complete view of every interaction. The Forms section tracks submitted leads, including referrers, submission trends, and first-time submissions, connecting form activity with overall lead generation performance. This brings both call and form conversions together in one place. Ask AI helps turn call tracking data into clear insights. Use the Ask AI panel to quickly summarize performance, explore trends, and uncover opportunities based on your client's call and lead data, without reviewing each metric manually. Combine CallRail data with other AgencyAnalytics integrations to better understand how calls fit into your client's overall marketing performance. Stay consistent with reporting by scheduling fully white-labeled reports that automatically include the latest call tracking data, so clients always have up-to-date insights. Keep your clients' call tracking and lead data organized in one place. Start your free trial of AgencyAnalytics, the purpose-built platform agencies trust to deliver results.